I'm here to say I'm going to be doing my makeup tutorial for the apocalypse. No, I'm kidding. Because of the coronavirus today. So, this is going to be simple because you're just going to be staying at home. So, why do anything big? I did my hair up even though normally when I'm staying at home, I don't put my hair up. But I may or may not go shopping for some more supplies, like stealing a ton of toilet paper. Not stealing, but stealing a ton of toilet paper. So, start with the eyebrows. Just give them a good brush. Now I'm going to be using Proof is in the Pudding for my makeup because I did it another time. I only took a picture of it. I think it was on my Instagram. But I did it once and it turned out really good. So I'm going to use it again. But today I'm not covering up my acne because I'm staying at home. Remember, we're staying at home. So let's not cover up our acne. Let's just let it actually heal. Use butterscotch. Spiced caramel. I'm using warm cocoa, by the way. Warm cocoa. This one. I'm gonna use an eye pencil. And now, the last thing you're going to do is grab your mask or something, and there you are. So that's your makeup tutorial for staying at home because of the coronavirus. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Minimymo, signing off. Bye!